OMRON offers a versatile series of nebulizers to treat a wide range of respiratory diseases. The Compressor C801 is a lightweight, easy-to-use compressor nebulizer that features OMRON virtual valve technology and built-in low-noise operation for quiet treatments. Clean the nebulizer kit and all accessories with warm water before initial use, or if not used for a long time. Insert the power plug of the AC adapter into the compressor and into a power outlet. Now assemble the nebulizer kit. Rotate the inhalation top counterclockwise and lift it out of the medication tank. Pour the correct amount of prescribed medication into the medication tank and replace the inhalation top. Attach the cap, mask, or mouthpiece to the nebulizer kit and attach the air tube. Hold the nebulizer level and do not tilt the nebulizer kit more than 45 degrees in any direction. Press the power switch and the nebulization process starts. Observe whether aerosol is generated. Insert the mouthpiece into your mouth and inhale the medication, breathing normally. Unlike other nebulizers that can waste medicine when exhaling, OMRON's VVT technology allows you to exhale normally through the mouthpiece to reduce medication loss. Turn the power off after treatment. Check that there's no condensation or moisture in the air tube and unplug the device. Always clean the nebulizer kit and accessories by thoroughly rinsing with clean hot tap water after each use and after the last treatment of the day.